Okay, where did I put it? This goddamn BMW messed up the whole garage! Put that right there, perfect. When a bunch of crap got stolen from the truck, one of those was the light bar. Because those rigid ones are extremely goddamn expensive, I decided to buy a super cheap China one off of Amazon. I think it was like 60 bucks Canadian shipped. And the good thing is that when they stole my light bar, they took the screws out of the side and they left the mounts. So the mounts are there. So I literally just have to like hook this up to the truck, put the screws in, and then attach the wires. Except I don't have any butt-end connectors here. That means I'm probably gonna have to solder them together and then find my heat shrink. Okay, where's the hardware? There's nothing in there. Oh my god, I have no hardware with this. Wow, I definitely got what I paid for. That's for sure. Okay, I need to find some screws that are gonna fit this. Finally found some screws. These will work. Got some washers just in case they're a little bit too long. I think I might be able to get in there with this to try and take them off, but it does make it more tamper resistant because these are so close to the bumper that if I struggle to get this in there, then it's gonna make it harder for someone to steal. So I'm also going to be putting thread locker on it as well. Here's hoping maybe I could put some JB Weld or something in it to kind of make it like a permanent thing because I don't plan on taking it off. It's so cheap anyway that if anything happens to the truck, I don't really care. I don't want to have to buy another one because an asshole kid feels that they deserve it more than I do. So I'm going to do what I can so it doesn't get stolen again, and hopefully that works out. Okay, that is a snug fit. I don't even have to hold it. It's not as far in as I thought it was going to be. Throw it in. The washer will be fine. Of course it's clogged. Yeah, I'm going to try and make sure this doesn't come back off. That has no movement. However it's aimed is how it's sitting. That's easy enough. Now the wiring. What I do is connect these, but I don't have butt end connectors, so I'm going to be using heat shrink and solder them together. Flux! Forgot flux. I'm an idiot! Oh god, my spine! Damn it, I forgot to put the heat shrink on. These on here. Probably make sure this actually works. Oh god, my eyes. Yeah, it works. Now hold that. Good. Flux. Has a sealant inside of it that seeps out, so now that's weather sealed. Next one. That's done. I just want to make sure this doesn't fray at all. I'll seal off this end. I wish I had larger heat shrink. This would have been a lot cleaner. There we are. That's it. And that was just hanging out there. I guess I could probably tuck these wires up somewhere. The wires in here. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. That's a lot of extra wire for no reason. Now let's just tuck that in there. Perfect. No idea what the hell this thing is. I can just go back in there. Okay, perfect. Neat. Test that out later. Nighttime. Daytime. I love that it's seamless with the high beams. I don't have to do anything. Just like, oh, high beams. Light bar's on. Low beams. Light bar's off. No extra switches. Rough country suspension stuff. Now we have this thing to put on. Weird intake. So let's go figure out how to take the old one off. All right. My spine. Disconnect the PC TV. Oh, wow, that's okay. That just comes right off. Let's remove this idle air temperature sensor. Okay, good. Huh. This is going way too easily. I'm concerned. These things out right here. This one right here. 10 mil. Oh, God. Oh, geez. Oh, my ears. Those are captive, so those don't come out. Let's take this off. Damn it. One more. Oh, Jesus Christ. This comes off. Now, you out. Come on. Oh, God. Don't break that. Okay. Neat. How is this air filter doing? Oh, she's like brand new. Wow, that's full of water. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Danger. Take the donut off. Do that for later. Wow. That is a really clean throttle body. Okay. Makes it really easy to get to the spark plugs. Good thing I just changed all 16 of them. Take off the 10. About a 5/16. Sure they're all good. Back this one off. Now I want to hide everything. Oh, I gotta put that sensor in. God damn it. Come back. Reveal your secrets. There we are. This is going to go like this. Yes, okay, good. Oh, that whole thing just went in there. Oh, this is problematic. Alright, let's fix this. Damn it. Let's go. Get it. What the fuck? Come on. Jesus. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. I think the paint might have still been wet when I assembled this. Oh, God. Yes. Yes, it was. And we can take that rubber thing off there. Push that back in. Just like that. And I mean, this stuff worked on everything else. So, why not? Get some on this O-ring and just squish it through without touching the sensor on the inside. Okay, well that's in and sealed nicely. We didn't touch the sensor on the inside, so that's good. Sure, it's nice and flush in there. Now we can put that filter back on. Make sure those are straight. There we are. I wish I had another clamp for the PVC. That'd be cool. Oh well, I gotta find where I lost that clamp. There it is. Well, I guess I could probably plug this in. And this goes in here, just like that. Wow, that is tight, and I'll never be able to fill my oil. Awesome. Piece of garbage. Oh God, my spine. Jesus Christ. There we go. Probably don't need all of this. This is gonna go like that-ish. This in under here, you down here, and then over here, and then onto, and come on, in the thing, get in the hole. In hindsight, I probably should have put this on first. Oh my Christ. Get on the thing. Okay. I'm honestly not even worried about a clamp at this point. That was so hard to put on. Damn it, the wiring harness is in the way. Okay, let's pull this out. And then over here. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on. That's still good. Good. Why is there a kink in this hose? That's gonna get really annoying. What an absolute piece of garbage. Well, it's pretty good now. Now we just gotta bend this around. And it just crimped again. Oh my God, what a piece of garbage. Okay, I'm not cutting it. There. It's done. Terrible. Can't cut it, because then it closes it on itself. Whatever. Goddamn piece of garbage. Okay, awesome. Yep, okay, we're almost there. Just a little more. Just stop grabbing on that. There we go. Ew. I think I'm done. What the hell is this thing? Oh God, someone's been doing something in here. So the thingy's connected. The thingy's connected, tight. Those are on. Battery's good. Light bar's good. That's good. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Well, I mean, I don't notice anything different. Check engine lights because of the O2 sensor, because the exhaust is still goddamn broken, so I can't really hear anything. I'll go for a drive, see if we can hear the intake noise at all, but I mean, the exhaust is so goddamn loud anyway, I don't think it's really gonna matter. Oh. You can hear it wheeze at the end when I turned it off. That's neat. I guess it made a noise. The intake. Okay. You gotta be quiet up this hill. 1600 RPM. Quiet. Oh God, I'm so cold. I just wanted to look like a man for the video, but it's so cold outside. Oh my God. I'm just gonna be badly. Fucking pink sweater. It says country girl on the windshield. Literally my deciding factor. I thought about taking it off like multiple times. And then every time it's like, well, I gotta scrape all the glue off and everything. And then I'm cleaning the whole windshield. Like, it's a broken windshield anyway, so like, who cares? The whole thing gets thrown out when I get it changed regardless. And that's usually how it ends, and I just don't do it. And like a week later, I'm like, man, I should really take that sticker off. It happens again. It's magic, and it's cruise control! I didn't know it did that. Oh boy, great, it doesn't shift when it's in cruise control. It gets terrifying once you get up the hill. There's another bridge thing. Hopefully there's no cops doing radar. Oh wait, no, that's not the right button. What button am I supposed to push now? Ah, that's it. Me! It's the future! I think I've owned this truck for like 7 years, and I just found out it has cruise control. This is blowing my mind. I'm running out of gas! Ah, God! I'm gonna have to sell a kidney! No, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, no. Oh, excuse you. Oh, my goodness. Exhaust is kind of warm, I guess. I mean, like, on the plus side, I'm getting 24.5 liters per 100 kilometer. That's 9.6 miles per gallon. Ow. My wallet hurts. If anything, I improved fuel economy. This thing's heavy as hell. Well, how was that? Got the intake on, got the light bar back on, or the new one replaced. You obviously can't hear the intake because the goddamn exhaust is too loud, so I guess in the next video I gotta fix the exhaust. That's gonna suck. The thing has had so many half-ass repairs over the year, I'm not excited about it at all. My back hurts so much, oh my god. So, like, share, subscribe, do whatever. I don't care. I'm not telling you what to do.